Hello everyone, and thank you very much for hanging out with me. Today I want to talk to you about the Volkswagen ID.3 again, because I gathered a few information. I didn't get any good information from a dealership. They told me that they had a meeting, info meeting 2 weeks ago, I think, exactly today, 2 weeks ago, but nobody replied since then. But it's only 12 days, May 8th, at 1:10 p.m. you can reserve, they call it, the car. They have a special website so you can see a few details and how the car looks like, and it looks like it's a Golf size, and a few specs have been rumored. So the newest one is that the cheapest version will come with a 48 kilowatt hour battery with a WLTP range of 350 kilometers and should cost under 30,000 euros, 29,990. The launch edition, so the one that you can pre-order in 2 weeks, will have a 62 kilowatt hour battery and a range of 450, and in the future there will be even an 80 kilowatt hour battery with 550 kilometers of WLTP range. And it all sounds very, very interesting. The price for the launch edition is rumored around 35,000 euros, so 5,000 euros less than a Kona and smaller, and I just prefer that. A few people asked me, you said you wanted the Kona so badly and blah blah blah, and it's true, I wanted the Kona. The Kona was the first car, had the range, and the battery size, of course, with that, had the range for a price that was acceptable. The price was still on my limit, 41,000 euros for the car that I wanted. But what I didn't like about the Kona was the size. I want a small car. I don't need SUV, crossover, whatever. But I understand the batteries right now need a lot of space. But the ID.3 looks like a normal hatchback, how do you call them? And it's just better for me. It's cheaper. And I'm pretty sure they updated everything. It should charge up to 125 kilowatt. So, and has a 150 kilowatt motor, and it's rear wheel drive. And the platform that they're building it on, where a lot of Volkswagen, Audi and whatever cars will be, and Skoda and whatever, will build electric cars on a platform. It can be all-wheel drive. I'm pretty sure it won't be all-wheel drive, even though I would love that. I don't think so. But a rear-wheel drive with 150 kilowatt sounds amazing as well. Yeah, so I really would prefer that car. So May 8th, we'll see what they say, how the whole pre-ordering reservation thing is all working. And if this all sounds good, I really want a car. In September they will unveil it, and on the website they already said a few details, that the special LED matrix light that will blink if you come close to the car, so it will welcome you and stuff like this. Well, we'll see. That's not so important to me. For me, it's a good drivetrain, good regen, good range, good charging speed. This is what I want. Of course, a few goodies, little thingies, and adaptive cruise control, something like this is what I want in a car. We'll see if this is all available for the same price. And yeah, like I said, they reveal it in September, and then on the website they say that the one who pre-ordered can see it first. We'll see what they mean by that. I don't think that the people will see it before the press, but it would be awesome, cool, and I would love to really order the car, because it's like I said, it sounds like the car for me. I said that about the Kona, I know, but this is just one step ahead. 1.5 years later, Sounds great, and I would love to have a video journey, the pre-ordering, the speccing, the ordering, getting the car, driving the first time, all of this. It would be awesome. I would like that. And I know that the pre-order is only limited to Europe. That's what I found out. So we'll see. Pictures look good. It's of course they're all very dark and you can see very well. But oh my god, yeah, I'm excited about the car. Really am. Yes, I like that. And a bit of news: I get the Audi e-tron this Monday. So in 3 days, hopefully the weather will be okay. Right now it says rain, but Monday it should be okay till evening, and I get the car on Monday morning till Monday evening. So I hope that I can do this a bit, and then I want to charge very fast and all this stuff. I'm excited. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.